I got a little quick announcement for you guys. It's lunchtime. It's thunderstorming. Bad day. But also, this morning was awesome. My mom's new, hold on, BF, his boyfriend, the Martard, got me a new Bakugan, and I'm gonna stick it right here. Because it's got a fact that I just waked up. That's my sandwich. If you like the picture behind me, leave a like. Look. And by the way, it's actually a limited. It's a limited edition. It's literally limited edition. Wait, where's my? Oh, bruh. Look. A limited edition Baytrix Ultra from Bakugan Armored Alliance. Bring me to Jesus. I hate this thunderstorm. I wonder if rain is God sweating. There's some strong winds out there. Sorry, there's window right there. Look. Wait, what the hell? Alright, but guys, I'm here reviewing this Bakugan. There's this thing, man. If you're not a fan of Bakugan, if you're not a fan of Bakugan, click off of this video right now, you idiot. Actually, you're not an idiot, everyone has different opinions, Bakugan haters. So, now I did a video where I did a Bakugan unboxing. And I forgot to turn it on public. And I forgot to. And I'm sorry. Like, I'm actually sorry. Go click on my last video that I just uploaded, like, now. I mean, yeah. The video before this one, it's called Playing Roblox. Well, the first time on YouTube. With my brother Cooper playing Roblox Spider. I'm gonna play some Roblox Piggy. Stay tuned for some more gaming videos, or like and subscribe if you want more gaming videos. And let's start the review. So this Bakugan mainly I think is diamond, but it's actually in a different coloration like the Battle Planet Bakugan. Because the Battle Planet Bakugan, they are just clear, light clear. But the new Armored Alliance, I think they upgraded it. So the type, Chaos, all the Chaos Bakugan from the new Armored Alliance looks like just like the regular Bakugan. With the Ventus Diamonds. The Ventus Diamond. Ventus Diamonds and Armored Alliance, they're green clear. Aqua's blue clear, whatever kind of thing you can imagine. But I mainly just like his front profile. But the part that I mainly like about this dude is his ball form. Now you all better show it in the beginning of the video. Oh, Gene, you're so stupid. Yeah. By the way, go subscribe to my brother's channel, Samazi. Click that red subscribe button to his channel. Give him some love and support. I mean, obviously, he's my brother. And check out his video where he got a new cat. Well, we didn't get it from the store. I gave a cat that we were fostering. I hope you guys remember James. He was, I just miss him so much, but I'll be able to see him soon. So stay tuned for more videos with more cat. And I'm starting my own gaming channel. Go subscribe. It's not out yet. Stay tuned. I'll do a video where it's out, or I say it's out, but look at the ball form, okay? Look at that. It's beautiful. beautiful. Subscribe if you don't have any. If you have Bakugan. I'm actually gonna plan to use this in a deck. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the review, whatever. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a brand new vlog. Peace out. Fuck gun rules.